So before joining the course, I had a lot of questions like ये ऐसे क्यों होता है, मैं ऐसे क्यों करती हूँ या फिर any question. And by the time like now I am leaving with a lot of answers and a lot of clarity. And even if there might be questions in the future, I will know how to deal with them. I will know how to work my way around them and with them. So that was something that was missing before the course. Like I used to get lost in that whole pool of questions, like one or the other. And so now that with the basic knowledge of rational and irrational, like basic अभी लग रहा है कि हाँ अभी basic है, but पहले नहीं था, वो इतना obvious नहीं था, basic नहीं था. But rational and irrational itself वो जब पता चलता है कि distinguish करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, so that has really helped us, or that will continue to help us solve our own problems. About the wonderful health that we had. So sometimes there used to happen like कि आप जब ऐसे जाते थे कि to run some small errands, we used to, because of them, we used to never feel your absence during the practice sessions. So that was really wonderful, and that says a lot about their dedication towards the practice in general. So it was really wonderful to interact with them, and not just in this counseling setting, but also apart from that. Like when we used to interact about how they have done certain things, about their studies perhaps, or about other experiences, they would be very open to share it with us. Like it was never like like there was no how can I share it, why should I share it, all those things or barriers were never there. They were very smooth, very transparent, and in a way they felt like a natural part of the class. They never felt like okay there is an authority or someone minding over us, monitor जैसा, बिल्कुल नहीं. The part that I enjoyed the most was the variety of activities that we had. Like you had all audio recordings, video recordings. There was not a single aspect that was not touched upon. मतलब audio था, visual था, फिर games थे, guest lectures थे. There were interactions among ourselves. Like every time we had a group. So अभी in the beginning we had this sense of newness कि कितने सारे लोग हैं, क्या है पता नहीं है. But अभी इतना familiar कि हम पता है कि अब एक दूसरे क्या है, कैसे है. So we really enjoyed it. It's a very close knit group. Like even though it's such a huge number. So कभी ऐसे फील नहीं हुआ था कि हाँ मतलब कैसे बात करेंगे, क्या बात करेंगे. So it was very like the connection building, the establishing of rapport. That was really wonderful. Improvement, sir. I feel that experience is the biggest teacher. So when you were teaching us, we could see all the years of experience that you had, and that has like the way you were teaching us with the examples, it was just wonderful. I used to never think that okay I'm going for a class में कुछ ऐसे like a traditional class कि हाँ अभी homework है, ये है, वो है, क्या करने जाना. Oh my God, that mental load was never there to attend the class. It was always like कि okay I'm looking forward to the class. आज क्या सीखने मिलेगा, आज क्या अलग समझेगा. So it was always there, and I feel like sir throughout the time that you have already observed yourself and आप ही ने ये devise किया है वैसे. Like the course is very self-sufficient and it's very holistic. There's not a single element that was missed out, or we feel like it can be a little different or changed. No, absolutely not. And of course you will do what is necessary. So that is why the reason I said that experience is the biggest teacher. Any other suggestions? No, I do not have any suggestions, because to have suggestions they would have to have some कि हाँ inconvenience. तो कहीं inconvenience कुछ महसूस नहीं हुई थी. It was all very smooth flowing, like very well planned. Like the books that you gave was so thoughtful कि कभी नहीं लगा था कि इतना appropriately कोई दूसरा इंसान guide कर सकता है. And that in such a subtle way. मतलब कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ book बस. So it was wonderful, sir. Thank you so much.